Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to do a new topic that is of exam prep. Okay, this is the Schreiber timelines. Okay, the written writing one. Okay, we have four parts: Lesen, Hören, Sprechen, and Schreiben. Okay, today we are going to do this one. Schreiben means to write. Okay, we are doing like right now the Netzoic event series, but there are many students who are always comment on my video just sir please make video on Schreiben part because they have exams and all. Okay, so today we are going to do this topic. Okay, this one is the Schreiben tile zwei. Okay, there is one more tile which is of tile 1, Schreiben tile 1. Okay, I will make that video afterwards. Okay, today we are going to do this one. Okay, because most people students are demanding for tile zwei. Okay, Kurze Mitteilung means short notice or message. Okay. Okay. Question is there. This one first of all. Sie sollen einen kurzen Brief oder ein E-Mail schreiben. Okay. You should write kurze Brief means a short letter or a email. Okay. Circa 30 words. Okay. You need to write a small letter or a small email approx 30 words. Okay, circa 30 Wörter. Okay, lesen Sie zuerst die Aufgabe. Okay, first you need the Aufgabe. Okay, the task whatever they given, this one. Okay, first we need to read this one. Okay, die Aufgabe hat 3 Punkte. Okay, the Aufgabe has 3 Punkte. There are 3 points. Okay, Sie sollen zu jedem Punkt 1 bis 2 Sätze schreiben. Okay, what does this mean? Sie sollen zu jedem Punkt 1 bis 2 Sätze schreiben. Okay, you need to write in every point. These 3 points are given to you: 1, 2, and 3. In each and every point, you need to write 1 or 2 lines. 1 or 2 lines. Okay, or sentences. Okay. Okay, now we will see the question. This one is your question. Okay, Beispiel: Sie wollen Ihren Freundin Angelika Hartmann in Dresden besuchen. Okay, you want to visit your friend and the friend name is Angelika in Dresden. Dresden is a place name. Okay, in Germany, place name Dresden. Besuchen. Besuchen means to visit. Okay, in simple way, you want to visit your friend Angelica. Okay, now they are telling to you that you need to now schreiben Sie ein E-Mail. Schreiben Sie eine E-Mail. Okay, now first of all, whenever you are going to have tile 2, you need to ask yourself that it is, first of all, it is formal or it is informal. Okay, which type of sentence, which type of text we are going to write in this one? We are obviously informal because we are writing this email to a friend. Yes, we are writing this to our friend, that's why it is informal. Okay, formal one, again there are two types of text can come in your exam, formal or informal. After reading the question, then you can able to guess that okay, it is formal or it is informal. Okay, for formal I will explain you afterwards. Okay, today we are going to deal with informal letter. Okay, this one is informal one. Okay, students. Okay, now the 3 points are given. Ankunft. Ankunft means arrival. Okay, so your arrival will be on Mittwoch 14 Uhr 34. Okay, Mittwoch means Wednesday. Okay, Mittwoch you already know, Wednesday. Okay, Fragen Sie. Okay, you need to question. Okay, wie kommen Sie zu Angelikas Wohnung? How you can come to Angelikas Wohnung? Okay, common you already know. Wohnung means apartment. Okay, common means to come. Okay, how you can come to Angelikas Wohnung? Like what are the means of transport you can come by? Bus, train, and all. Okay, you need to ask. Okay, third point, erklären Sie. You need to erklären means to explain. Okay, explain. Ihre Handy ist kaputt. Handy means mobile and kaputt means broken. Okay, 3 points. First, when you are going to come, your arrival, that is Wednesday, and time is given. Okay, Second point, you need to question that how can I come to your apartment, what are the means of transport. Okay. Third point, you need to ask or explain that your handy is broken. Okay. Now see this one. Schreiben Sie zu jedem Punkt ein oder zwei Sätze circa 30 Wörter. Okay, and Beispiel, it's in Beispiel. This one is the example, and here they have written 45 words. Okay. Now see the example. Okay. Okay. Liebe Angelica. Okay. Liebe means dear. Okay. Dear and your friend name. Okay. This is female. Yeah. The girl name. That's why it is Liebe. If it is male name, so we will write Lieber. Okay. For female and for male. Okay. For example, if there is the name of your friend is Ram, John, anything, so Lieber, John. Okay, er ending, but here it is female, so Liebe Angelica. Okay, first thing you should notice this. Okay. Now, which is the first point we need to ask? This one. First point is this one. Yes, Ankunft, your arrival. So, ich komme am Mittwoch 14:34 Uhr am Bahnhof in Dresden an. Okay. Till here. Okay. How you come? Okay. I will come on Wednesday, and you wrote the time also. Am Bahnhof in Dresden, because in question they have told you that you are visiting Dresden. Okay, like this. Then second point, how you can come. So here they are asking, wie kann ich zu deiner Wohnung kommen? Wie kann ich zu deiner Wohnung kommen? How can I come to your apartment? Yes, deiner. We have written deiner because it is informal. Yes, du, deiner, and all we use for informal. Yes, that's why we wrote here deiner. Okay. Wie kann ich zu deiner Wohnung kommen? Again question mark, because they told that you need to question it. That's why it is question mark. Okay. Gibt es einen Bus oder soll ich lieber ein Taxi nehmen? Okay. Because they have written, okay, how you can come. So now you have put here extra information. Okay. Is there any bus? Yes, you can see. Is there any bus oder soll ich lieber ein Taxi nehmen, or should I rather take a taxi? Yeah, nehmen means to take. Yeah, nehmen means to take. Okay. Again, now third point, erklären Sie your mobile is broken. So leider means unfortunately. Okay, unfortunately kann ich dich nicht anrufen. Anrufen means to call. Okay, unfortunately I cannot call you. And why? Now you are going to give the reason. Mein Handy ist seit gestern kaputt. Since yesterday. And kaputt, broken. Yes, so you can see here we have used each and all the 3 points here. Yes. For example, I will highlight for you which are the 3 points we covered. For example, for Ankunft here. Okay, for Ankunft, this one. Yes. And for second one, I will highlight with different color. Okay. Now for wie kann Sie zu Angelikas Wohnung? Yeah, how can you come to Angelikas Wohnung? So hier, wie kann ich zu deiner Wohnung kommen? Gibt es einen Bus oder soll ich lieber ein Taxi nehmen? Okay, this one is your second point. Now the third point. Which one is the third point? That your hand is broken. So this one. Okay, students, like this you need to write. Okay, first point, this one was the second point, and this one was your third point. We have used all the 3 points here, and at the end Bitte antworte mir schnell. Schnell means quickly. Yes, please reply me back very quickly. Okay. And here you don't need to write your in the exam your name. Okay. You can write ABC or XYZ like this. Okay. See, you can see, notice here students that here we are using grammars, yeah, to write the structures. For example, you can see here verb on second position. Yes, you can see here if you are asking the question, the verb is on first position and then your main verb on last position. Yes, here you can see your verb on second position and then uncount at last, like that. That's why students, it is very important to do Network A1 book. Okay, from 1 to 12 chapter. I saw many students who like do 5 and 6 chapter and then they appear for the exam, and then they are not getting that much marks. Okay, please always focus on your grammar part in writing. Okay, still if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comments. Okay, and one more thing, like today the first time I have explain you the grammar part, the exam prep part. Okay, this one is our exam prep. Yeah, this one was the exam preparation topic. Okay, if you like this one, please let me know in the comments, and should I make more Schreiben tie lines and Huron lesen and all. Okay, please let me know in the comments. Okay, thank you, and please like and subscribe to my channel.